Hello everyone and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, we are going to speak on new releases that are coming out this month. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Before we get started, let's go over the handbag of the day. The handbag of the day goes to my beautiful Louis Vuitton Speedy 20 Monogram. Of course, canvas handbag. You guys know how I feel about this handbag. I chose this handbag today because we are going to be speaking on some more Speedy 20 that is coming out at the end of this month. But of course, guys, I still believe this is going to be my favorite. The only thing that I didn't like about the Speedy 20, LV chose the guitar strap, the famous guitar strap. But it's okay because the strap is detachable. So I added my beautiful Pochette Matisse monogram strap. And it's just so beautiful together. So handbag of the day goes to the beautiful LV Monogram Speedy 20. Okay guys, so let's move along. Like I told you, some hot handbags are coming out February the 24th. The first one I want to speak on, guys, is the reverse monogram key pouch. I spoke to you guys a little bit about it in a past video, but I have videos that I want to share that I actually got off of Instagram. I was tagged so many times. Thank you guys for tagging me, sending these videos to me. So check this out. Very different, very unique. I am not saying I'm going to purchase, but you guys know I love different. And this most definitely is different. I feel that it's creative. So here it is, guys. This is the Louis Vuitton Giant Reverse Monogram Key Pouch. So let me know what you think. It is coming in at $3,850. Release date, February the 24th. Of course, this month, a lot of you guys sent me a DM, said that it was ridiculous, it was hideous. LV, that's just a waste of time, a waste of canvas. But again, we all love different things. It's probably not your type. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about the giant key pouch? The next item I want to speak with you guys about are these beautiful Speedy Nanogram handbags that are coming out. The first one here is the beautiful Nanogram Black. I told you guys in the size Speedy 20. I've always said that once they release a bag, a Speedy, a little bit smaller than a 25, I was going to grab it, and I most definitely did. But lately, they have been rolling out with Speedy 20s, which I absolutely love. I feel like that is the perfect size Speedy. It fit all of my daily essentials. I love the extended zipper. So here it is, guys. The Nanogram Speedy 20 in the color black. Release date, February 24th. Let me know in the comments. How do you feel about this? I absolutely love this handbag, but I have tons of black handbags in my collection. So for me and my collection, I will kindly pass, but I would love to see this handbag in person. Also, before I forget, the price is $3,100. These prices, guys. We're not going to get into that, okay? We're not going to get into that. We are patiently waiting to see. Today is the 13th. We heard a price increase comes on Valentine's Day, which is a Tuesday. I am recording this. This is Monday. So let's see. I will have an updated video. So again, the Black Nanogram Speedy 20, $3,100. The next handbag that I want to speak on is the Speedy 20 Nanogram Blue. This is so beautiful. Oh my God. This is beautiful. And let me tell you guys, these are all leather Speedy 20s. I didn't include that. So the Nanogram Black is leather. In this beautiful blue, it is leather, okay? Let me not forget that. Again, same price, $3,100. Absolutely stunning. I don't know why, but this blue is amazing, okay? I love the choice of straps. For the black, also for the blue, the choice of straps, they did not go with the guitar strap, which I am so happy with. And I'm guessing because it is a leather handbag. But again, I still feel LV will put a guitar strap on anything. But I love this strap. I also love that it is detachable, but no need to detach because it is perfect. I am trying to see if the strap is adjustable for my tall divas. So on the pictures, I really can't see that right now. But if they add adjustments on this strap, this will be a perfect 10 handbag. And I'm only saying that because I love the Speedy 20. I think it holds so much. Okay, I'm really excited. I really am. I am like, calm down, Marquita. You don't need another handbag. But oh my God, these Speedy 20s are giving me life. Okay. Also, the Speedy 20 Nanogram in pink. It's not floating around a lot on Instagram, but guys, it's coming. Okay. I spoke on this because of the runway. We saw this. Okay. In October 2022, so I had to dig through my pictures. The pink is coming as well. I'm pretty sure it's going to be the same price. I posted in my stories. I showed you guys. I can't wait. I can't wait. The pink, I believe, is going to be the most popular color. It is going to be hard to purchase if you do not have a CA. Once it reaches the website, I think it's going to be notify me status. So again, I'm pretty sure it's the same price, leather handbag. So the Speedy 20 Nanogram in pink is coming out as well. Let me know which color are you interested in, the black, blue, or pink. Let's talk amongst ourselves in the comments. Actually, I'm excited. I'm excited. So LV, you went in the right direction. This handbag release, I understand, I love. Will never understand the price, but hey, these are beautiful. So good job. Kudos to you. Okay. So now let's speak on a handbag that so many of you guys dislike, but I think is going to be beautiful in person. It is the Monogram clutch. I am so excited about this handbag. To me, it looks like more of a vintage handbag. But I want it. I love the top handle. You guys know I am a sucker for top handle handbags. I love it. I love the chain strap that they added. I love the shape. I love the S-lock in the front. I wish it was treated vachetta, but hey, that's totally fine. But this handbag is so beautiful. To me, it speaks princess. It speaks bossed up. It speaks when I walk in the room, you see me. It doesn't have to be a huge bag to speak that. And this clutch is most definitely giving me that. The price is $3,550. I don't agree with the price. This is a canvas handbag. Why is it more than leather? A leather handbag, the Speedy 20. I'm pretty sure they're, close to the same size. But hey, I'm excited. I am excited. I love the look. I love this handbag. Again, this is something I spoke on in October. So to see it actually being released, I am super excited about it. Again, another handbag that is being released February the 24th. So February is a very, very hot month for LV. Just let's chill on the price increase. Let us enjoy the bags, okay? Let us enjoy the bags in peace, LV. Okay, so guys, let me know how you feel. A lot of you guys are not here for this handbag. I really don't understand, but I love it. It's cute. Okay, I knew these were coming out. They are basically coming out in different colors, also in the red, blue, and black. I spoke on this as well, the S Lock Extra Large. Again, coming out February the 24th. The price is insane. The price is crazy, and I am not purchasing at all. LV, what are you thinking? Almost $4,000. Well, it's going to be over $4,000 with tax, but they have it listed as $3,950. Might as well say $4,000 for this handbag. I'm not sure who LV is trying to cater to, but this is ridiculous. So I see the creativity. I love the creativity. I'm here for it. Okay, I'm here for the creativity, but not the price. So this is the X Lock Extra Large Black. Again, it is coming out in different colors. I thought the red stood out the most to me, but here it is, February the 24th. I cannot wait. Of course, some pre-orders are open. You just need to reach out to your CA and get on top of some of these handbags ASAP, okay? Also, I actually started becoming a fan of the Dolphin handbags. You know, the hobo handbag. I have it, not the Loop GM, because to me, that's still considered Dolphin because of the print and the color. I don't consider the Loop GM reverse monogram. Reverse monogram is with black leather. That's it. I don't want to argue. But they are releasing a Dolphin MM Nanogram Black. I am loving the Nanogram print, but I hope they don't start releasing everything Nanogram, okay? I do love it because, you know, at one point, everything was giant. You know, the giant LV. Now we have the Nanogram that's coming out on a couple of handbags. But here is the Dolphin handbag. I absolutely love this in black. I really do. The chain strap, I don't know, it's kind of throwing me off in the front. The chain strap is kind of throwing me off. Again, maybe I need to see it in person, but the gold hardware stands out so much. Again, I don't know if I wanted to see this in the Nanogram, in the smaller monogram print. But to me, I feel like it's going to be a gorgeous handbag. I am so happy they made it in MM instead of in mini size. But the MM is $4,600, guys. A Dolphin handbag, $4,600. I am loving the gold hardware on this handbag. It does come with a longer leather strap. I'm pretty sure it's adjustable, and yep, I see it. It's also detachable as well. So if you are a Dolphin fan, this is a little twist. It's a little different. Let me know how you feel about this handbag. Like I said, I am so happy it is coming out in the MM size, you know, because they are always releasing Dolphin in the mini size. So this is very different. This is very cute, and I can't wait. I cannot wait to see so many of you guys sporting some of these handbags on Instagram. I'm still debating. Like I told you guys, I was trying to chill on purchasing. It's getting hard. It's getting hard in the LV streets. But again, I have been good and I want to remain doing so. But the Speedy 20 right now have me in this headlock and I cannot move. But I'm just torn on the color because, again, I don't want the black. I have too many black handbags in my collection, but the blue is beautiful. But the pink, oh my God, the pink is going to be hot. I am also waiting, before I end this video, I am waiting if they are going to come out with the side trunk in that beautiful pink as well. Whew. That is gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous, guys. So like I said, I can't wait. So many bomb handbags are coming out at the end of this month. I wanted to share this with you guys because like I said, the Speedy 20 in the nanogram print, that's a game changer. Again, it's going to be this size. If you have a Speedy 20 in your collection, just close your eyes and just imagine that it's pink, blue, or black, and it's leather, not canvas, and it has the nanogram print. Then open your eyes and realize you don't have it yet. I'm joking, guys. You know I have to play. But again, it's coming out in this size. I cannot wait. I'm not going to say I'm going to get it. Let me clear my eyes. I'm not going to say I'm not going to get it because my hands are itching, but I am in love with the pink and the blue. Okay, so guys, let's chit chat in the comments. If you already pre-ordered, if you have your eye on a certain handbag that I spoke on today, let's share, let's talk. I am super excited. LV, hey, they're on the right track with this. Let's see if they can keep it up. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video, guys, I love you so much. Mwah. Bye-bye.